We're back, bitch.
Yeah, that's right. I'm back. Yeah, it's been over a month. Yeah, who cares? It's not like you guys are watching this, but now you're gonna watch it because I just got you clickbaited by that title up top. Well, like I said in the title, we got a big shoe unboxing today with not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but yeah. We're actually doing an unboxing of 3 shoes. What is up, everybody? Culmination back with another video. Yeah, I know, surprise. I'm surprised I even do videos anymore. But guess what? I made another one. So like I said in the intro, you're probably watching this video because I have more shoes to unbox because I've got nothing more to do with my life than waste my money on shoes. Because that's what I do and I don't care. I'll give you a quick story on how I got each shoe and let's just get into it because that's what you guys came here. You came for the shoes and that's all I want. The Jordan 1. Now, most of you guys watching this video can guess what this shoe is. It is the most recent Jordan 1 of the year. Came out about a week ago from when I'm recording this. This is the Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. So with a little bit explanation on this shoe. This shoe, as by the title, was made for Jordan winning the Rookie of the Year award in his 1984 to 1985 season. So this shoe has a very nice tumbled leather to it. I would say almost like bread toe quality. Very impressed with the leather on this shoe. But the reason why this shoe is still sitting on shelves and has no resale value is because of the suede. The suede on this shoe is not the best suede, and honestly, I don't know why it doesn't compare to the leather. I don't know why they put really shitty suede with some really nice leather. Makes no sense. But you know what? I'm not the one making billions of dollars selling shoes. I wish I was, but I'm not. So, not much here with the shoe. Comes with black laces, comes with an extra set of red laces, and yeah, nothing really special, nothing much to go on this shoe. The one thing I do like about this shoe is that on the inside of the wings right here, it does say Rookie of the Year. I'll just tell you what it says. On the inside of the wings, it says 1984 to 85 ROI, 2,313 points, 28.2 points per game. And that's on the right side. On the left side it says, this award is nice, but I feel it is very important for each individual to go out and contribute to this team. MJ. So, now I'm done this shoe. Let's get on and let's start heating up with what I've got next. Some of those who might know what this box is, this is an older style Jordan box. But recently, if you don't know what this is from, I was lucky enough to get the early availability on the Nike Sneakers app for this special sneaker. This sneaker will also be re-releasing in December, which is a little hint to what it is. And no more chit-chat, let's get into it. As you can see, what I'm holding in my hand right here is the Jordan 11 Concord. But the most recent release of these was 2011, from what I remember from memory. So they decided to bring these back out for the holiday season, like Jordan Brand always does every December. They always bring out the new 11. Last year, it was the Win Like 92 and the Win Like 96, something like that. It was the navy blue and the all red one. And the year before that was the Space Jam, which I was lucky enough to get. So this year, they decided to do the Concord. This isn't just any normal Concord Jordan 11. This shoe has got the 45 on the back, like the Space Jam does. In my experience with Jordans and how long I've been collecting them, Jordan Brand did not do good on this shoe. For this shoe to be as hyped it was back in 2011 when it released, this shoe needs to have the 23 on the back. Just like with the Space Jam, it wasn't that important. No one thought it was going to be as good as its previous counterpart with the 23. 45, I don't know what it means. Someone else does, but I don't care. It's got a 45 instead of 23. In my opinion, it's stupid. Jordan Brand, please put the 23 back on this shoe like it deserves to. Give this shoe its respect. Now, we're going to get on to the main reason you guys clicked on this video, which is personally a pair of grails that I was lucky enough to get off the go at. From what you guys see in front of you, this was a retro old Jordan box from the early 2000s. This shoe came out in 2006. It is kind of a pack of three, and not really a pack of three, but there are two other shoes that go along with this, and this is like the middle tier, I'd probably say. The lower one goes for about $200. This one goes for about $300, $500 dead stock, and then the upper one goes for about $1,800. A little expensive, but who cares? I got this one. This is the one I've always wanted until I saw a picture of Drake wearing it on foot on stage. So let's get ready. Got the GOAT card, signed by UH. Thanks, Can't tell what this is. All retro Jordans came with the card for what shoe it is. A little hint right here, Jordan 4. Boom, here we have it right here. The Jordan Tour 4. Like I said, this one kind of counted in, I don't want to say the pack, but you have the Thunder 4s, which it has the all black upper suede kind of area. It's got the yellow. Then you have this middle tier, the white one with the really good leather and with the yellow. And then the upper one, the Lightning 4. The Lightning 4 goes for about crazy prices. Like I said, about $1,800 last time I checked on Go. Not going to spend $1,800 on a pair of shoes. So I go on Go one day and I see that someone has posted this shoe right here for $200. Okay, in my opinion, I literally bought the Concords the same day. So I'm like, okay, I'm not going to drop $200 on this shoe right now. Maybe if it drops in price, I'll be lucky enough to get it. So I put in a little offer. I put an offer of $170 on this shoe. And I really, honest to God, thought the guy wasn't going to take it. But here we are now. Dude took the offer, and I was lucky enough to get one of my grails for such a cheap price. With Go, everything costs shipping for $10. So technically, I got a grail for $180. If you know anything, any history of Jordans, you know that this shoe is 12 years old. This shoe came out in 2006. I can't believe that a shoe that's 12 years old is in such great quality. The leather is outstanding. There's a hair of yellowing on the cages, but nothing major. That's what happens over time with old shoes. And there is some midsole paint cracking. You can probably see it right here. Probably obvious right there on the yellow. But that's it. That's all that's wrong with this shoe. And the quality on this shoe, you can really see that Jordan Brand has stepped down in quality over the years because they're just trying to make more shoes for more money when they should go back to what they were doing in the early 2000s, making beautiful shoes like this. I haven't felt this good of leather on a Jordan 4 in ever. The laces on this shoe, like, no one cares, they're just laces, but these laces are like soft. They're not like the hard laces you feel on a regular shoe. Like, these are soft. They're still very white for 12 years old. No stains on them. Like, all the little stuff just comes down. It's like laces. That stuff is important. That stuff matters to people that are collectors like me. But the one thing this shoe is most famous for is for this tag right here. As you can probably see in the video, I have my tag upside down. Well, that's one thing you can do with this Jordan 4. It is a Velcro tag. You can put on any way you want. Right side up, to the right, to the up, to the left, doesn't matter. And if you decide to take it off, it says right here, Jordan Rare Air. I like to have my shoe with the tag upside down because people will know what this shoe is and they're gonna stare at it when they know this tag is upside down. I'm sorry about what I said in my last video. I kind of lied. I kind of told you guys I was going to keep posting more videos. But honestly, with school, it's been very hard, and I just haven't had the time and the money to just make really good videos. Like, what you guys can probably see right now, I got a brand new phone, and this phone takes better video than my old dinosaur camera did. And thank you so much to the cameraman behind the phone, Mr. Nick Delicio. I will leave his Instagram and Twitter handle down below, so everyone that watches this better go give him a follow, because I am proud of him. I turned him into a hype beast with shoes. He wasn't in this market over a year ago. Now this boy's got 2 pairs of Yeezys and 3 pairs of Jordans. He is getting there. Not quite as good as me, but he's getting there. So thank you very much for watching this video. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep posting more. If you guys have any suggestions for me to do, leave your comments down below. Like yesterday, I just bought a PlayStation VR. It's got a PlayStation camera. If you guys would like to see games played on the PlayStation VR, I'll be more than happy to make videos and post them. So please comment, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, all that. And just show support on the video. If the more you show support, the more I'm going to want to make videos for you guys. So please have a great day. Thank you for watching, and